you're a landlord and your rental property keeps pulling you away from your actual life, this video is for you. Most owners did not buy a rental because they wanted more emails, late night calls, or legal stress. They wanted income, flexibility, and long-term value. Somewhere along the way, managing the property became the most exhausting part. I'm Christi Lagasse, the Director of Growth at SJA Property Management. We've been managing rental properties across the Seattle area for over 16 years. We manage more than 1,000 doors and have earned over 800 five-star Google reviews from owners who came to us because managing the rental started taking more time than it was worth to them. So today I want to talk honestly about what happens when landlords are simply too busy to manage their rental property and what experienced owners do differently. Most landlords underestimate how much time property management actually takes. At first, it feels manageable. A rent payment here, a text message there, maybe a maintenance request once in a while. But then real life stacks up. Full-time work, family responsibilities, travel, business obligations. Suddenly, you are responding to tenant messages during meetings, coordinating repairs after hours, and trying to stay compliant with local laws you do not have time to follow closely. At that point, your rental stops feeling passive and starts feeling like another job. One of the biggest stress points we hear from busy landlords is the feeling of always being on call. Maintenance issues do not follow a schedule. Tenants do not wait for business hours, and emergencies never check your calendar. Even when nothing is technically wrong, the mental load stays there. You are always wondering if something is about to come up. The constant interruption is usually what pushes owners to finally say something has to change. Another layer that busy landlords struggle with is compliance. Seattle and Washington rental laws have become more complex over time. Notices, timelines, documentation, and tenant rights all matter. Missing a step or using outdated processes can delay action or create legal exposure. Most busy owners do not have the time to track those changes closely. This is where stress quietly turns into risk, even for well-intentioned landlords. If any of this sounds familiar, this is exactly why we offer free consultations and instant rental analysis. It is simply a chance to take a step back, look at your situation clearly, and understand what may be costing you time or creating unnecessary risk. Professional property management is not about giving up control. It's about putting systems in place so you are not personally handling every issue. That means tenant communication handled consistently, maintenance coordinated efficiently, and compliance managed proactively. At SJA, we repair issues about 55% faster than the national average because systems and vendor relationships matter. Faster resolution reduces tenant frustration and prevents small issues from becoming expensive ones. Most owners tell us that the biggest change is not just better performance, but finally having their time back. Successful busy landlords treat their rental like a business, not a side responsibility. They focus on long-term strategy instead of daily interruptions. Rent growth planning, maintenance timing, lease renewals, risk reduction. They delegate the operational work so the property supports their life instead of competing with it. That shift is what allows rentals to stay profitable without constant involvement. If managing your rental feels heavier every year instead of easier, that is usually a sign that your setup no longer matches your life. It does not mean you failed. It means your priorities changed. Reevaluating how your property is managed is often the most responsible decision you can make for both your investment and your time. If you want a clear, no-pressure look at your current situation, our local expert team offers free consultations and rental analysis. It is about understanding your options, not being sold to. And if this kind of practical, Seattle-focused guidance is helpful, feel free to subscribe here on YouTube. We regularly share insights to help landlords make smarter, calmer decisions about their properties.